Are you tired of struggling with heavy backpacks while on your trekking adventures? Look no further. In this video, we have curated a list of 15 essential lightweight gear items that will make your packing a breeze. From pocket-sized tools to compact gadgets, you'll learn about the must-have items that can easily fit in your pocket. Say goodbye to the packing woes and hello to hassle-free backpacking. Watch the video now and revolutionize your trekking experience. Welcome back, buddies. First of all, a very happy Rakhi to you all. This is a fantastic day to launch our first video with you guys. Are you tired of carrying heavy backpacks that weigh you down during your trekking trips? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to 15 lightweight trekking gear essentials that will revolutionize the way you pack. Get ready to optimize your backpacking experience with our pocket-sized tools and compact gadgets that ensure convenience without compromising on functionality. But before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel and adventure videos. Gear essential number 1, ultralight tent. When it comes to trekking gear essentials, a lightweight tent is a game changer. Look for ultralight models crafted from durable and weather-resistant materials. These tents are designed to fit in your pocket and can be quickly assembled, providing you with a comfortable shelter wherever you go. Gear essential number 2, portable water filter. Staying hydrated during your adventures is crucial. A portable water filter is a must-have tool that ensures access to clean and drinkable water on the go. These compact devices remove bacteria and contaminants, allowing you to refill your water bottles from any freshwater source confidently. Gear essential number 3, travel hammock. Want to rest and rejuvenate during your treks? A travel hammock is your answer. These lightweight hammocks are easy to set up, providing you with a comfortable spot to relax amidst nature. Foldable and weighing only a few ounces, they can be conveniently packed in your pockets. Gear essential number 4, multi-tool. A multi-tool is a jack of all trades when it comes to carrying a variety of essential tools in a compact form. From knives and pliers to screwdrivers and scissors, a good multi-tool is a must-have for any trekker. It's like having a toolbox right in your pocket. Gear essential number 5, portable solar charger. Don't let your devices run out of battery during your treks. A portable solar charger harnesses the power of the sun to recharge your devices on the go. These lightweight chargers absorb solar energy and convert it into electricity, ensuring that you stay connected even in remote areas. Gear essential number 6, pocket-sized first aid kit. Safety should always be a priority. A pocket-sized first aid kit containing essential medical supplies is vital for any adventurer. These compact kits include bandages, insect repellent, antiseptic wipes, and more. It's peace of mind you can fit in your pocket. Gear essential number 7, lightweight sleeping bag. A good night's sleep is essential for a successful trek. Look for lightweight sleeping bags that are easily compressible, yet offer insulation and comfort. These bags can be rolled up into a compact size, saving space in your backpack while providing an excellent night's rest. Gear essential number 8, collapsible cooking set. Cooking your meals while trekking is a great way to stay fueled. Opt for a collapsible cooking set that includes a compact pot, pan, and utensils. These sets are designed to be lightweight and space-saving, making them perfect for outdoor cooking adventures. Gear essential number 9, waterproof dry bag. Keeping your gear dry is essential, especially during unpredictable weather conditions. A waterproof dry bag will protect your valuable items from rain, water splashes, or accidental falls into rivers. Available in various sizes, these bags are lightweight and easily foldable when not in use. Gear essential number 10, compact headlamp. Trekking during the night or in low light conditions requires proper illumination. A compact headlamp is an essential gear item that provides a hands-free lighting solution. Look for lightweight headlamps with adjustable brightness levels, ensuring a well-lit path on your adventures. Gear essential number 11, microfiber towel. Don't forget to pack a lightweight and quick-drying towel for your treks. Microfiber towels are incredibly absorbent, compact, and dry rapidly. Made from soft and durable materials, they are an excellent space-saving alternative to traditional bulky towels. Gear essential number 12, portable Bluetooth speaker. Want to enjoy some beats during your trekking adventures? A portable Bluetooth speaker is perfect for enhancing your outdoor experience. These compact speakers provide excellent sound quality and are designed to be waterproof and shockproof, making them ideal companions for your wild explorations. Gear essential number 13, lightweight power bank. To keep your devices charged while on the go, a lightweight power bank is a reliable companion. These portable chargers provide backup power for your smartphones, cameras, or other USB devices. Opt for models that are compact, yet offer high capacity to ensure extended usage. Gear essential number 14, trekking poles. Trekking poles provide stability, reduce strain on joints, and offer balance while trekking through uneven terrains. Look for lightweight and collapsible trekking poles that can be easily adjusted to your height. They help enhance your trekking performance while reducing the risk of injuries. Gear essential number 15, lightweight backpack. Finally, if you're seeking a lightweight gear essential that encompasses everything, it's a compact and sturdy backpack. Look for backpacks specifically designed for trekking that offer ample storage space, padded straps for comfort, and additional compartments for easy organization. Choose wisely and enjoy a hassle-free and comfortable trekking experience. And that's a wrap, buddies. We hope you found this video on lightweight trekking gear essentials helpful. Incorporating these pocket-sized tools and compact gadgets into your gear collection will ensure you are always prepared without compromising on weight or convenience. Packing woes? 15 lightweight trekking gear essentials that fit in your pocket. Remember to leave a comment below with your favorite gear essential from the list, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to join us on coming ventures. Until then, keep exploring, stay lightweight, and embrace the joys of backpacking. Happy trekking!